So in the pandemic, there was a lot of certainty that rates needed to come down. We went cold turkey. If you remember, we reduced the rate rapidly to near zero. In the high inflation, cold turkey. Inflation is very high. The only direction of change for the policy rate is up, and you want to do it as rapidly as you can, conditional on disrupting financial markets and thus the economy. So that's what we did. But now we're in a much more uncertain world where it's not clear what the evolution of the economy will be, how quickly inflation will come back to 2%, and how durable the labor market, which looks good today, will be. So you put those things together, and it just calls for a more thoughtful and cautious approach.